you for joining us on how to single crochet. For this tutorial, we'll be using Mary Maxim's Best Value yarn in the colorway Cottonwood. I'm going to start with a slip stitch and chain 11 stitches. If you haven't had a chance to check out our video on how to chain, now is a perfect time to pause this video and take a look at the link in the description of this video. We're chaining 11 stitches because this sample is going to work 10, so we need that extra stitch to make room for the first row. Insert your hook into the middle of the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Let's try some more single crochet. Ten single crochet stitches completed, and turn. To start the second row, you're going to chain one and single crochet into the very first stitch. We chain one to make room for the second row. It helps to keep your edges straight and to keep your stitches from bunching. Let's skip to the end of the second row. And notice where that first chain, that 11th chain from when we did our original beginning chain looks. You're not going to work into it. You're just going to work into the single crochet. So here are 2 rows of 10 single crochet completed. Here's a couple of variations on the single crochet. Here is where we single crocheted in the back loop only. This is great for doing ridges. It kind of resembles the knit one, purl one when you're knitting. And here is where we work in the third loop. If you can see here where these stitches are standing up, and that's because instead of working in instead of working as normal, we're working in the third loop. Thank you for joining us on how to single crochet. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!